In this video, I will show you how to add a home button to the header in Shopify. In this example, I'll be adding it as the first item in the menu. First, log in to your Shopify admin. From the dashboard, click on Content, then select Menu. Click on the main menu. Now, click on Add Menu Item. For the name, type Home, and in the next field, select Home Page. Then click on Add. As you can see, the home link has been added to the end of the menu. If you save it right now, it will stay at the bottom, but we want it at the top. So, simply drag it all the way up to the first position and then click the Save menu. Allow a few minutes for Shopify to update the changes. Now, go back to your home page and refresh the page. After a couple of refreshes, the Home button will appear at the top of your main menu. When users click on it, they will be redirected straight to your home page. And that's how you add a homepage link to your Shopify main menu. If you don't already have a Shopify store, you can use the link in the description to get started for just $1 for 3 months. Thanks for watching.